Hello guys, good morning. And I am here in Jaipur, and at Jaipur I am at Janta Mantar, and here I saw one clock which is made it with the stones or something like that, and is this clock are is showing the exact time of real time which we can calculate with the or clock, like we calculate in Kolkata Kolkata time zone. And in this clock there is, with that clock and this clock, there is a difference with the 30 minutes. So if we will see this, let me go some closer. And this is also for watching Dhruv Tara. If you will put your eyes in here, from here, every night you will see the Dhruv Tara. And here, this is after 12 from here to here. And this is this description. And this is AM time. And look here, numbers, like this is 10, and in our clock also 10. And if we calculate like this, there is numbers which is calculated by the shadow of this wall. This wall is shadow, it comes from the sun's light, and we can calculate using this. We hired one guide to understand all the instruments. We can get here many instruments, like we can calculate the rasi, and we can calculate the time, we can calculate the akshantar, desantar, like all these things. And we have world clock also. And in this place Jaipur, we can see the position of the Jaipur with respect to earth and the sun, and it works only with the sun's shadow, sun's ray. This is the clock for six months, and other, like for other 6 months this. So this is not working. After some year, after some months it will work. And what about you must wondering that what about the 2 days, like 22 December and the special days which is calculated under the big days or equal days. So we have another clock for calculating this, which you can see in the top of this clock, this one. And we have some also other things, like wait, so we, if we want to calculate कि कौन से जगह में जो है अभी कौन सी राशि में अपनी पृथ्वी चल रही है, तो वी कैन कैलकुलेट बाय दिस इंस्ट्रूमेंट. सर वो रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ, like this, and it is half part of this instrument. We can see the one instrument here, this is this one, and its shadow we can see in the makar.
थोड़ा आगे आ जाइए आप लोग.
It is called Jaipur Transfer, and half it is in this side. Okay, thank you. Then I will explain other things.